could reinvent an industry, a billion-dollar industry, one that many believe is on its way down, if you could turn it around, transform the industry, then you'd probably be hailed as a savior. Coal is a billion-dollar industry in Virginia, and many believe it is on its way down. But in Bristol, Virginia, there just may be a savior, a place where coal is transformed, put to an altogether different use, a place where a new idea may just save a dying industry. Flames lick the night like some sort of futuristic vision. This an oven burning coal, turning coal into coke, coke used in steel. It may look futuristic, but in fact is nearly a relic. By polluting the heavens, the ovens are dooming themselves. Government slowly snuffing them out, sparing the skies, but also sapping an industry. Coal, there must be another way to convert it, use it for other means, a way to keep an industry alive.
Like the old term being on the cutting edge, it's amazing. It boggles the mind of what coal can be used for.
The coal comes through, feeds through the pyrolyzer here.
This is where it happens.
The vapors condense into a liquid.
Where coal is converted into coke to make steel, and from coke into gas to use in cars. Faster, cleaner, less expensive than it's ever been done before.
The guys in the lab will analyze it later on.
Welcome to the machine.
It works pretty much like an old-timey moonshine still, in a way. You know.
Oh, it will affect everyone. It will affect you as far as the price of the products that you buy that are made from coal, from the gas pumps to the silicone chips that you use in your computer. It affects everybody.
Today, our coke technology is obsolete, and we're beginning to import coke from Japan and other countries. We should not be importing coke from coal that we have mined in southwest Virginia, but we should be converting coal into coke ourselves. A good example is the railroad. We can make a diesel fuel now with 20% coal-derived liquid that will burn in locomotive engines. Why should we be hauling coal out of these coal fields with petroleum coming from Iraq? Why don't we start utilizing coal liquid derived from coal? Now, we've got the technology to do that. We can bring on new technologies that will make the United States more independent than it ever has been before.
This is char I've taken directly from the pyrolyzer. It's about 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Right now, the technology is only being tested, a pilot program. But engineers here say this machine proves their method.
More economically, less pollution.
Glenn O'Neill, an engineer who's watched an idea take shape.
The old way of making coke is dying, and we got to find a new way to do it, so this could be the beginning.
Possibly a major new industry in its infancy.
Sometimes it's a mighty ugly baby.
Our product is technology.
I've always had an interest in trying to find new ways to utilize coal and make this industry a little bit better. Yes, this is sort of a large-scale science project, but all science projects start basically with an idea on a piece of paper and then develop into a commercial plant.
It has to come to this. It has to be environmentally safe. The coal mines, they have to change. And we hope, and we really feel that this change that we're doing is the wave of the future.
What started as an idea seems well on its way to reality. The pilot facility in Bristol could lead to a commercial plant. The U.S. Department of Energy is now studying the project. So are 4 major industries, deciding whether to build the plant. It would cost $40 million. Their decision is expected in May. As for the people at the pilot facility in Bristol, they feel like they're on the verge of changing the coal industry forever. As they put it, we're one step away.